17, I'm good. Thank you for asking. 17:30. What is that? 12, like 7 o'clock p.m. 7 o'clock p.m. Mm. Yeah. Ma'am, sayaw daw Hindi ako magsasayaw eh. Yung bunganga ko lang ang ginanon ko. Hindi ako magsasayaw. Marunong lang ako yung bunganga ko. Bunganga lang. 5:30 p.m. Oh, okay, okay. Malipayon laging kabuntagon. Always malipayon man gyud ta oy. Unsa man na nga always malipayon man gyud ta. We have to be happy kasi it's up to us to make us happy. It's not other people that make you happy, guys, okay? It's on you. If you want to be happy, try to figure it out that, nobody can make you happy but you. So, yes, that's a for na. Salty anong tati ka. Jesus, lami juicy. Asam sauce. Asam sauce kayo atong kuan hudas. Asam sauce kaya itong Friday. Oh, I don't think that I would repeat it. Okay, salamat, pero tanong ko muna sa'yo bago ako mag-lock. Okay, go ahead. Kotong 43, oh. Waka kadungog, nakadungog ka sa ako ang mensahe atong sa 43? Asam sauce kayo. Hey, hurting lami. Oh. Ano yon? Ano yon? Bago ako mag-block. Huwag mong i-block ang lahat, okay? Kung merong magbinastos sila and then repetitive na, yun. Pwede yun hindi i-block, i-time out. Meron time out dyan. Where are you live, sister? I am in the earth. I'm on earth. Ask daw siya permission before niya block. No. Yun. No. You don't have to ask me. You don't have to ask me. Just like Judas, di ba? Nakita mo si Judas, nag-block siya. Di ba? Nag-block si Judas. Yan, you don't have to ask me permission. I'm allowing you to do it. But block yung mga tao na nag-repetitive offensive words. But warning first, ha? Warning first. Pwede kang magsulat doon. Hey, Judas, stop that. Ganon. And then if hindi tutuloy-tuloy pa rin, i-block mo. Yon ba? Jesse Torres, good morning. How's Blazer? Blazer is right here, Jesse. He's still not really I let him up early when I woke up at 7 o'clock, and then I see him still peeing all over the thing. I put him in the cage last night, yesterday, and then last night I take him out. But I have to go to work. I put him in a cage nowadays. I need to train him. Yan, okay, bye. Judas, bye. Ernesto, okay, friends, natulog na ako. See you na tomorrow. We're all my friends. Okay, tulog ka na kasi meron kang trabaho bukas. Yeah, what you're talking about here. Bye, good night, sweet dream, kiss, la 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 la, blah blah blah. Yeah. Yes. Yan. Salamat, Dudas. Are you live, India, sister? No, Hamda, do I look like Indian? I look like Indian, right? Which is I love all types of different people in the world. No, I am not in India. I am in America. Live in America. I am live in America.